Hi guys, I'm Kylie. I'm from Tech Squad, and we're going to be talking about Google Classroom. So I'm going to show you guys how to create your own classroom. So once you get your account, it can't be stocked in account because unfortunately you can only be logged in as a student. So make an account with a Gmail, a different Gmail. So once you have that, you'll hit this plus button right up here, and you'll hit Create Class. And these are just some terms. And you would name your class. So I'm going to name it like Instructional Technology. And you can have like a section or a specific subject matter that it's in, or even like the room for the kids to see. And you just hit create. So once you have your class, it'll show up on this sidebar right here. So now I have two instructional technology since I already made one. And then Danielle's going to talk about how to add students to your class.
I should just leave that in here. Hi guys, I'm Danielle from Tech Squad. I'm going to show you how you can join the classroom. So you're going to have your students click on this and it'll give you a code, and that will allow them to access the classroom. Then you can go to people and you can see all your students once they join.
Hi guys, I'm Gabby from Tech Squad, and to create assignments for your classroom, you can go to Classwork, like I am right here, and then click Create, and there's a bunch of different assignments, quizzes, and questions that you can do. So assignment would be like a regular assignment that has a title and certain instructions for your student where they can post their assignment, and then you could do a quiz where it will ask your students questions and it provides you with a Google Forms doc, and then you can also create things like a question, and you can title the question, and then it'll give the students an opportunity to answer the question as soon as you assign it.
Hey guys, I'm Anna from Tech Squad. So the first thing we're going to do next is create a topic. So you want to click on Create. You can go down to your topic, and then for ours we'll just do INTC. You type it in and then hit Add. And then if you were to add a question into that topic for your class, you would go to Create, click on Question. Then you would type in your question here at the top. So we can do, what is your favorite color? And then for this one, we don't really need instructions, but if you were going to add them, you would do it just right underneath. And then you can hit Create. Oh, never mind. Can I start over?
I would hit ask.
Wait, how do I start it?
I don't know if you can start over. I don't know how.
Hi guys, this is Anna from Tech Squad. So right now we're going to create a topic and then add a question into that topic. So you're going to go up to the top and hit Create. Then you go all the way down to Topic. And then for ours, we'll just call it INTC. Hit Add. So then here's your topic up here. So then to add a question into it, you hit Create. You go down to Question. And then at the top, you can write whatever your question is. So for this, we'll do, what's your favorite color? And then underneath of it is where you can add any instructions if you need to. And then to add it to your topic, you want to come over to the side where it says Topic, hit the drop down arrow. And then where it says INTC, you click there. And then when you're all finished and everything looks good, you can click Ask at the top. And then it should show up in that folder right here.